Good morning, students. We are discussing about the chapter first biology, that is the crop production and management for ninth class. We have discussed about the farm yard management practice, that is the farmhouse should be neat and clean. It should be proper ventilation. The food eaten by animal is known as the feed. What are the components of cattle feed? Animal feed include two substances. One is the roughage and second is the concentrates. Roughage contains fibers like green fodder, silage, hay, legumes, etc. And concentrate contains rich in the protein and nutrients. For example, cotton seed waste you can also say, oil seed, grains, oats, gram, barley, bajra. A balanced diet includes 20 kg roughage and 4 kg concentrates with 35 liter of water. It is approx. Next we have the going about the disease of cattle and buffaloes. These are not so important, but generally we have to discuss only two disease. First is the parasitic disease, which may be internal or internal through parasite like fleas, lice, ticks, mites. They live on skin or of cow and buffaloes and may cause skin disease. For example, they suck blood and cause anemia. Internal parasites such as worms affect the stomach and intestine of cow and buffaloes like flukes damage the liver. What about the infectional disease? May cause due to the virus and bacteria. Viral disease, that is the foot and mouth disease, that is the cowpox and rinderpest. Okay, this is the symptoms of foot and mouth disease are the blisters in feet and mouth, excessive formation of saliva. Okay, high fever, this is the example symptoms. An example of bacterial disease, that is the anthrax, backwater. Okay, this is due to the simple infection. Next we are going, that is the poultry farming. Poultry farming is related with the production of eggs and meats from the poultry birds. Proper management includes methods of hatching, rearing, housing, sanitation and prevention from disease. Poultry includes ducks, hens, geese, turkeys, fowls. There are two types. One is the egg laying poultry is known as egger or layer, and the poultry reared for meat is known as the broiler. For meat is known as the broiler. What are the poultry breeds? Indian breeds are included in three categories. First is the Desi breed, which are the pure breeds of the Indians fowls. That is the Asal, Chittagong or Busra. What are the exotic breeds? These breeds are of the foreign countries, that is the white leghorn and Rhode Island red. What are the cross breeds or improved breeds? The majority of breeds present used for eggs and meat are cross breeds. Example HH260, IBL 80. Next is about the variety improvement. How we can improve the variety? The quality and quantity of chicks. The dwarf boiler, parent for commercial chick production, and low maintenance requirement and reduction in size of layer. What are the production of eggs? A layer start laying eggs at the age of 20 weeks. The fertile eggs rot rapidly than infertile eggs. Fertile eggs means जिनसे further बच्चे निकल सकते हैं, उनके छोटे छोटे बच्चे, that are known as the fertile, and other are the infertile. So I am going to discuss what are infertile eggs. Hens can lay eggs without a cock, which are infertile, and these eggs are also known as vegetarian eggs. Next is production of broilers. Chickens are raised up 6 to 7 weeks in poultry farm. They are fed with vitamin rich supplement, that is the vitamin A, vitamin D. These are the vitamin rich supplement given to them for their good growth. Disease of poultry, they suffer from virus disease, that is the flu, fowl pox, ranicate, and bacterial disease, that is the cholera and diarrhea. Next we are going to discuss about the fisheries, fish production. Fish is an important aquatic food rich in proteins. It is highly nutritious and easily digestible. Fish liver oil is rich in vitamin A and vitamin D. Fisheries are establishments connected with capture, preservation, exploitation and utilization of fishes. Two types of fishes are there. Fin fishery, it is capture, management and exploitation of cartilaginous and bony fish. And shellfish is the exploitation of the crabs, prawns, lobsters and mussels, that is the mussels, etc. Depending on the mode of obtaining fish, it is of two types. What is the capture fishery? The fish is caught from natural water, both marine and inland. Marine means near the sea area. Modern technology is used for the capture and storage before marketing, and electronic equipment is set to locate the fish in sea. Next is culture fishery. It is cultivating, rearing and harvesting of fish. Culture fishery is also known as the fish farming. The growing of various types of aquatic organisms in water bodies is known as the aquaculture. This is the rearing by applying some cases. Okay. Culture fishing is obtaining from natural resources, and capture fishing is from the natural resources, and culture fishing from the farming underwater. They are not seeding and raising the fish. The fish is seeded and reared. Capture fishing is undertaken in both inland and marine water. Culture fishing is undertaken mainly in the inland and the seashore area. Next is what are marine fisheries. Marine is the capture fishing of ocean and seas. India has 7,500 km of coastal line areas in the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Example: pomfrets, Bombay duck fish, flying fish are reared in the marine fishes. Next is the aquaculture. It is the production of fishes at large scale by proper utilization of available water in the country. Example: normal fishes, prawns, crayfish, these are used in the aquaculture. They may be marine and they may be in the fresh water. What is the inland fisheries? These are the riverine, reservoir, lake or pond fishery. The major share of fish production is from the inland sources. Next is the bee production, beekeeping. It is the rearing, care and management of honey bees for obtaining honey, wax and other substances known as the apiculture. Honey is very useful and can be taken as medicine. Products from apiculture is that is the honey wax, royal jelly, bee venom, propolis. Honey is sweet liquid, contain vitamin, mineral and enzymes. 1 kg of honey contains 3200 calories and is an energy rich food. Bee wax is secreted by wax glands of worker bees. It is used to construct hive. Hive means chata. And human beings used wax for preparing cosmetic, cold creams, candles, etc. Propolis and balms are used in repairing and fastening of comb. Next are the honeybee varieties. Two type of varieties. First is the indigenous and other is exotic. These are the Indian breeds used for honey production. The examples, only one name you should have to remember: Apis carina indica, Apis dorsata, Apis florai. Exotic breeds, these are from the foreign, that is the Apis mellifera, that is the Italian bee. You can remember only this, Apis mellifera. Italian bee is preferred before it is very gentle in nature, has high honey collection capacity, it has ability to protect itself from enemies, it has prolific queen with less swarming. So it is very easy and very important. Next is the management of high yields of honey. The quality and taste of honey depends on the flora and nectar available. Beehive is a box raised over a stand having wire gauze, covered broad chamber with egg laying and a multi-frame honey chamber for honey collection. Apiary location of beehives, which allows the maximum nectar and pollen collections. Total time during honeybees collect nectar and pollen is called as the honey flow period. Next, what is the swarming? About the queen swarming of Italian bees I am giving. So what is swarming? It is the natural process of mass movement. Mass movement means इकट्ठा move कर जाना of bees from one place to another. In it, queen leaves old hive along with some workers and drones and take new shelters. तो इसको क्या कहते हैं कि एक क्वीन, नई क्वीन जो है उसने कुछ ड्रोन्स और कुछ वर्कर को अपने साथ लेकर नया शेल्टर बना लेना. एंड this queen gives new eggs. This can be done in the spring season, and to give the new eggs and a new shelter will be prepared. So this is known as the swarming process. So this is all about this chapter. The chapter is finished. Try to make notes self and try to do some questions, NCERT questions. Thanks.